Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the core sound, a dry, resonant log drum sample or a sine-based synth patch, because the cleaner the source, the easier shaping becomes. Import it into Edison or the channel rack, set the root note and project tempo so pitch envelopes behave predictably, and normalize levels to avoid clipping. Once done, enable cut itself or use separate channels for layered hits so successive notes don't overlap. This gives you immediate control for tuning and transient work. Now shape the drum's character. Tune it by semitones, then fine-tune in sense so it sits melodically with other elements, because pitch relationships define the instrument's feel. Drag an envelope to control attack and decay. Shorter attack tightens the hit, decay sets body, and route to a mixer track where you EQ out boom below 40 Hz, add a low pass to control highs, and apply subtle saturation for harmonic richness. Make sure to use a transient shaper for punch, then resample if you want a single-layer multisample. Finish by mapping your processed hits across keys or load the resampled file into a sampler for MIDI performance. Set velocity layers and key ranges so low notes feel weighty and highs stay defined. Send to a reverb or delay bus for depth, and use a light bus compressor to glue layers. If something goes wrong, for example you hear clicks, thinness, or phase cancellation, trim a few milliseconds from the sample start, nudge layers out of perfect overlap, and make sure your audio buffer and plug-in CPU settings aren't causing artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.